day begins with a beautiful morning. So here we start. At first we traveled from Bunter to the climbing point of Bijli Mahadev. It takes 1 hour to reach from Bunter. The breathtaking sceneries alongside the track acted as a boost for me. It was giving the energy that was existed due to the long track. The entire trekking path is lined with beautiful trees. Bijli Mahadev track is named after the Bijli Mahadev Mandir, which is a temple of Lord Shiva. Located at height of 2452 meters, the place lies at a distance of 24 kilometers east of Kullu in the district of Himachal Pradesh. Not being much of an intense traveler, I chose this particular trek in not among all the trekking destinations in India, because even through the trekking route compares of a steep climb for the first kilometers. Reaching the Bijli Mahadev track was fairly easy. Bijli Mahadev village is among the best places to visit in Kullu. The hill station is easily accessible from any of the major cities in India. The nearest airport from Bijli Mahadev is Kullu Buntar Airport. The Bijli Mahadev temple is famous shrine of Lord Shiva and is one of the most sacred sites for Hindus. It is also one of the most well-known Shiva temple of the country. Therefore, on Mahashivratri, the temple is beautifully decorated. It is an experience of lifetime. The temple light ups the beautiful backdrop of the Himalayas, and the ceremonial prayers offering called Aarti takes place in a grand and pompous manner. I was mesmerized once again by the beautiful interiors of the temple. It is decorated with gorgeous carving mythology figure and natural scenes. Hand-painted temple doors are also a beautiful sight, and sense of vibrance to the wood carvings. The temple consists of a Shiva lingam, which is frequently struck by lightning and shattered into pieces. The priest of the temple then uses a butter as aggressive to put the pieces back together. This is why the temple is so named as Bijli, which translates to lightning, while Mahadev is another name for Lord Shiva. The weather in Bijli Mahadev temple is pleasant for the most of year. The days are mild while the nights are extremely cold. The region enjoys summer, monsoon and winter each year. The summer season lasts between the month of March and June, when the temperature ranges between 25 and 37 degrees Celsius. From July to September, the region experiences the rainy season. Heavy downpour of rain with thunder and lightning are common in the region. Landslides are also happen frequently. I was lucky enough to not get stuck in any. The view from Bijli Mahadev temple is awesome. It looks out at the famous Parvati Valley. I was lucky enough to live here in this beautiful place. The trekking route overlooks the beautiful Parvati Valley, Guntur and Kullu. Naturally, It offers a gorgeous view near the end, which mesmerized all the tourists. The winter months in the region last from September to February when the temperatures fall below 0 degree. This season is characterized by chilling winds and plenty of snowfall. Like most trekking routes in the northern part of the country, the Bijli Mahadev trek remains closed in winter months. Due to extreme weather conditions and immense snowfall, the road remains untravelable and unfit for trekking. Also, the area is prone to violent thunderstorms. Therefore, the best time to visit the place is during the summer months. It is also best time to visit Manali. Nearly places. I planned my trip in the month of March and was not disappointed.